10 a.m. A local hotel just emailed you. Room 101, the garden view is closed for the maintenance. By 2 p.m., the email again, it's open. But your team is busy in 200 other emails. That room stays closed on Expedia and Booking.com while you are busy with manual entry. In the travel world, that isn't just a technical delay, that is a lost sale. Because stale data, that's dead money. If you are a travel agent or a channel manager or a travel company, you know this very well. You contract with hundreds of local hotels that don't use fancy APIs. They use email. They send price update, promotions and stop sale updates, deals in whatever format they feel like, PDF, JPG or Excel. It's like a confused puzzle. Your team spends hours fitting those pieces together manually. It's slow, it's expensive, and human error is practically guaranteed. That is why I have built the first intelligent document processing AI system designed specifically for the speed of the travel industry. We don't just read documents, we understand them and do real time updates. Dynamic formats handled, handwritten notes extracted, room availability alerts identified instantly. When a hotel reopens their inventory at 2 p.m., our system has extracted it and sync it live on the OTAs within seconds. No manual mapping, no rebuilding templates. You can finally scale from 50 hotels to 500 without hiring a single extra data entry clerk. But I don't want you to just take my word for it. I want to show you exactly how it looks in real world. Let's dive into live demo. So here you can just simply add your own custom logic based on the data that you would like to extract from multiple attachments on a single time, as well as you can add your own logic to extract and process data based on particular document also. So let's let me upload one attachment or document here. You can either preview the file from this and you can decide and make your own logic. So let's say if I would like to extract the stop sale having with only the X mark, from the whole chart. Add my own logic here. Simply start back extraction. So we get the result, and as this is also an editable, so I can make the change as if sometimes AI has changed it the data. You can simply export this result in JSON as well as table or CSV. So let's see, we get the result